Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will make a presentation about of material how full injection works. Okay, group member name is the first Dimas Nur Ramadan, second Gita Tia Samudra, and then Muhammad Abdul Aziz from Yaman. Okay, we will get straight to the explain video. And welcome to Frankfurt Auto. Today I am going to explain how an injector works on gasoline or petrol engine. So this is a setup from a 4-cylinder multi-port full injection system and is not much difference. This one is from a physics something multi-port full injection system. So basically what happen is you have full pump in the full pump sit inside the full tank. So when you start your car, or when you it frames for 2 seconds, if you keep the ignition on, but when you start your car the full pump and pump full through this ticker line in start pumping pilot through here and goes into the inlet of the rail. Full pump start pumping full into right here. Okay, so the full it keep on pumping, the full goes into the rail. Okay, it goes up to the into the rail, and then you have regulator. Is what regulates is what regulates the pressure. So every vessel is going to have different pressure most from they run at about 16 and 16.5 pounds per square inch. Okay, this one you have regulator right here. Okay, so you have full coming is so there is your full entire inlet. The full comes in goes through the rail goes to the regulator, and from the regulator then it goes back into the tank. So this line, the main thing to remember is that throughout this part, this rail right here, the fuel is, let's say this vehicle was running at 60 60 10 60 10. Injector that is getting is 6010 as long as the vehicle feature is running. They all get exacted same pressure as citizen. The tank so the full pump just when you start. The car is just pump full to the full rail. There is a few weeks gone and run away. Here is what regulates pressure. Uh, the fuel goes into the injector. So an injector is actually just a simple coil or a solenoid operated valve. Mm, when it is where it get two wires come to it, when it get negative and positive, the solenoid open and it spray full from the bottom. Okay, so uh, that where the fuel comes out, that tiny hole there, so some of the part of the injector in the outer body of the electromagnetic that what trigger is when you get negative and positive coming to it. Okay, you have okay uh, you heard the capacities of target about that in minute minute. You have the return spring. Return is what closes the lifter passing down, and you have the needle valve, and this is where the food come. Out. So basically the fuel level, whatever pressure you have in the line, whatever pressure you have, regulation by that regulator online. The fit rail it's the same pressure. The full stay or capacity. Here this wall capacity that stable with full, so as we said, if 60 mm, Okay, so and the amount of time the injector is open, the amount of time this needle valve is up, that all injector pulls with so hard if have cut out of an injector. Okay, so
Needle valve so the full actuality comes out of right throat here, and needle valve is open and closed. It open and closed the part this wall right here. It stay valid with the full the spring is right here that close the injector. Okay, and goes on the top, and then you have the rise of the injector. The full enters through the top comes out here, and this thing attack his right here. I am going to show you the injector plus with or injector pulsing with the help of injector tester on Ekferec. If your car is running at about 1000 rpms, the injector plus the about 3 to 5 millisecond. So this is the plug that comes from ACU or ACM or the car computer, and this is the one the break the signal to the injector, and this just get continent to the injector. It is just to just go to wires coming the it. This is a special test, like you can check the injector plus with this, and I'm going to show you how to the take with another, like as will show the just so the power is.
thank you. We can only display up to the up to her. What if there is a stronger? We apologize and apologize because a member from Yemen could not join because of the signal. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.